Why are you being so dramatic?
Damn, dude. What the fuck?
All right, so let's move your truck out and we'll clean.
Woo!
Are you really recording?
Yeah.
So
Hello, my vlog children!
this is vlog number 2. This is the start. Because vlog number 1
So we tried to.
was bad. It was
Yeah,
really
we tried.
bad.
We tried vlog 1. Vlog 1 was really bad.
Everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. Mike was bad. Whoever put me in charge of the camera, that was a bad decision.
We showed our moms, and even they said it sucked.
Yeah,
And
they're supposed to be our biggest supporter.
what the fuck?
They said you guys can do
This
this.
is some bullshit.
And we thought we could do it, but we really can't.
Yep.
So this is vlog number 2, and vlog number 1.
We'll show you
deleted.
some. We'll show you. We gotta show them a couple clips.
No, we deleted it all. Right?
No, I still have them. Yep. I kept a couple, so we could show you how awful they really are.
So bad.
We want to show you so you can unsubscribe before you even subscribe.
That's right.
You know?
Fucking show up for our first day of vlogging.
I'm right here.
I had to come to you.
Hold on, dude. Lighting's terrible.
This is some bullshit. Now my lighting's terrible. Fuck.
Dude,
Vlog issues, dude.
the vlog
Why are you holding the camera like that?
I don't want anybody to see what kind of camera I'm using.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Well, yeah, it's almost
PDR
out.
professional.
It's weird. It just keeps going. There's an echo in here. Take a little bit of this. This is a dildo. Sorry.
Yeah.
We're ahead of the game.
And for today, what are we doing?
We're gonna wrap some of his fucking piece of shit. Alright, what's the plan, dude?
The plan is, I gotta take the trim off the door handles.
There's no
After
trim
taking-
on the door handles.
No, these trim. This is trim.
These trim?
This is trim. Well, there's 2 of them, one on each door.
These trim?
These trim pieces.
You gotta take these trim off.
Those trim pieces plus the door panels.
What are we wrapping today?
We're wrapping the doors.
Okay, can I explain something? I get here, I wake up early.
What time is early?
Dude, early, yo, okay, like 8:30, okay? I think today's vlog day, okay? Fridays are vlog day. We come to the shop, we're gonna fucking vlog our asses off. You know? We're gonna have a vlog party. We're gonna fucking, we're gonna get vlog-licious, okay? And guess who doesn't show up again? This is the same fucking problem we had last week. The reason why the vlog went to shit is he wasn't here.
I had shit to do.
I wait all fucking day, okay? Okay? Guess what time he gets here? What time did you get here?
Got here at 9 a.m.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
You're a
I
liar.
did. Got
What
here
time did
at
you get
9.
here?
I got here at 4.
He got here at 4 fucking o'clock, and now he expects me to do all this fucking work on his car when I got shit to do. Okay?
You have nothing to do.
What's that?
For future videos.
What is it?
I don't know if I want to show everybody.
What you got in that box? What's in the box?
Stud conversion. Camera plates. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got those from the shop? Damn, dude. These things are. How much are they?
170.
Why'd you get the expensive ones?
Because go big or go home.
Rear
Rear shock mounts.
There you go.
Yeah, but they
See, all
also
these
have
things-
they also have the reinforcement plate.
I don't know what the fuck that's for. All this shit was broken on his car. Last vlog, we tried to put his coilovers in.
It was fun. We didn't try it. We got it. It's on. They're on.
Yeah, but it's missing like 5 different parts.
No.
And
Like 7.
yeah.
2 hours later.
We brought gifts.
Wow! The wait was worth it! Oh my god!
It made it work.
What's that, dude?
It's a vlog, man. It's
That was fucking, yeah, dude.
That's the goal.
Fucking Josh picked up some of those.
Dude, I run in, I come out, he's like, did you get my text? I'm like, dude, no, I didn't get your fucking text. I'm holding 2
sunflower
6-packs. Yeah, holding 2 6-packs in the water. And then I got a sunflower seed.
Bitch, you be doing an engine transplant. You can get some
Now let me get back into the zone and try to remember what I was trying to do.
Let me go polish off my first beer. taking us this long to get your fucking door handles off?
Yeah, dude.
Get in on it.
Yo, we ain't wrapping no doors tonight.
Fuck
Whoa,
these
what
doors.
the fuck?
You'd be jealous. Austin, use your words.
Use your words.
I mean, I wasn't planning on it, but I will if I have to. I don't know how this fucking...
Just pull on it, fuck it. I don't think that's a good move. You're fucked now. You gotta take it the whole way out. That's what your glass ride's in.
We're gonna get it back in. We're gonna get it back
$20
in.
you gotta pull your glass back to do it.
Pull the glass back up.
No,
Doesn't
out.
matter. We can pull your glass out. That's fine. It's not a big deal.
Pull it out.
I mean,
But now my window's not gonna...
Pull on it, dude. Pull on it. Just pull on it. Come on. Do it. Yeah, I told you it was a long bitch. You dumbass.
Fuck.
Oh, damn,
I
you're
just want...
an idiot,
I
dude.
just want it to be clean.
This fucking bolt is long.
Why don't you use the fucking electric ratchet? What the fuck's wrong with you?
I mean, it's almost out.
Alright, sounds good.
That's the portion inside the door. The glass is down, so I can't feel anything.
Yeah, well, once the glass is down, come on. Guys, we're professionals. Don't try this at home.
We doing the top piece? Bullshit like that.
Dude, there's like a couple different textures in here I'm trying to work out of here, you know what I mean? trying to figure out which one I want to keep.
You're doing great, dude.
Almost there.
So it is currently 11:21, and we have only wrapped one door. Somehow, every goddamn time we set a goal for this car,
it never works out.
What's the plan, Stan?
Let's do it. So
This is some bullshit.
we got the fenders or the door and the fenders.
So we can either wrap one fender, okay? Ugh, I almost just puked. Or we can wrap the other door.
Then I say we wrap the door. Say we wrap the other door.
All right, let's wrap the other door. My vlog children! What time is it, dog? 1:30. 1 frickin' 30, and we wrapped 2 goddamn doors. How do you feel, dude?
Dude, terrible.
Anybody that knows about these cars, if your father invented these handles, do me a favor and go into his bedroom tonight and cock slap him.
No, I'll be here tomorrow early.